When this BMW i8 came into our shop, it was a mess. One of the big elements that was wrong with this car was the color. Let's start with that. Factory gray from BMW. Yeah, it's cool, but yeah, it's actually boring. So what do? The owner of Fantasy Motorsports, George, custom designed the exterior of this vehicle. As you can see, it's a two-tone black and gray, PPF, and the design on the door is absolutely wonderful. Most doors are solid colors, bringing this back to the original concept look of the original i8 BMW when it was first released. Also, in addition to that, the stereo system that the client upgraded at a different shop, we're not going to mention any names, he spent over $5,000 and was still not happy with it. But after we finished it here at Fantasy Motorsports, we did a custom subwoofer system, added some amps. Most importantly, we actually designed the subwoofer with the same leather and the same stitching as the OEM factory interior. Also, with our stereo system in mind and the actual tanks here for the airlift system, we beautifully designed these in the trunk and had it actually replicate a very high-end exotic car rear-engine vehicle. Take a look. So that's how we saved this client's BMW i8. As you can see, it is a pure masterpiece right now. Come on down to Fantasy Motorsports. We'll take care of you. We'll make your dream machine alive. And who knows, maybe your car will be the next one showcased on one of our videos.